Welcome back to this new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can add a link to a particular text in Wix site. So let me show you how you can do it. So I have added this text which is just for a placeholder purpose, and this is just for video purpose. So what you can do is you can click on it, double click, otherwise you can also click on edit text and then select the text which you want to link, and for example you select one of the text to link. So once you select one of the text, what you can do is you can click on link and then you can click none. If you want to link it to nothing, then we have the option to page. Basically I'm showing the options, then page. After that it shows the option how does it open. So if you want people to open into your current window or new window, you can choose one of that. Then the other option is web address. Then there is the address link option of anchor. So what anchor is, if you want people, you want to send people to home page from shop or about us page, but on home page you want to send them to particular section. For example, if you have about us section in the home page, then we should add anchor to about us section, and while giving this link, right now we are giving this link. So in this step you can click, right now you can see it has shown which page. You can click home this and which anchor on this page, then we can give it a name about us, then it will take people to about us section. Then there is option on top and bottom. Then document, if you want people to download some PDFs. Then the other option is email, then phone number, then lightbox. Right now we will give to page. So you can click on done and you can remove the underline. So this is kind of a signal that if your link is successfully added, it gives underline automatically by default. You can remove it, but you must know where you have given the link to which text. Basically that's you can do. And if you want to remove the link, you can again select that text and click on cross mark and remove, so it will finally removed. So this is how you can do it. I hope you understood. Thanks a lot.